Hello YouTubers, millionaires, multi-millionaires, or actually future millionaires. My name is Ali. On this channel we talk about affiliate marketing, leveraging the internet, making money online basically. And what I have for you today is a business opportunity that I think it's very, very solid opportunity. It's spot on. It's the way this works is basically you build the websites and you kind of rank them up and sell them, or perhaps just keep it and start generating money from it. And this is done with Authority Hackers, which I just joined a little while ago, and I'm totally in love with these guys. They're an incredible team and they have so much to offer. I'll play a quick YouTube video of one of the founders of the Affiliate Hackers. His name is Gael. He's incredibly knowledgeable and he's a gem. He knows a lot about the business. So I want you guys to listen, and if you want to make some money online, this is a great opportunity. I'm going to leave the link in the description. All right, let's before I do that, if this is something you're interested in, click the subscribe button and continue on watching. Thank you. Here we go. Let me make my photo smaller. The sun is in my way, so I can't really see anything here. Okay, come down here. I'm going to shrink this down. Bear with me, guys. 1 second here. Sorry about that. I'm doing something wrong here, apparently. Yep, I'm definitely doing something wrong. I clicked on the wrong thing. Okay, I think I need to shrink this down. Okay, there you go. That's working now. Sorry, guys. Technical difficulties. I'll get it ironed out here in a second. Give me 1 second. Here we go. Let me get my photo out of the way. That's Gail in the back. He's an incredible SEO master and a page builder slash. This guy knows a lot about building an online business, backlinks, you name it. They do it all. Listen to this, guys. These guys are really, really good.
People about generating income through affiliate marketing, I often hear the three same objections. It's saturated, it takes ages, and I don't know where to start. So in today's video, I'm calling bullshit on all of this, and I'm going to be showing you people with zero authority ranking for juicy affiliate terms. I'll also be showing you how to find them and how to use that information for your own profit and to make money with affiliate without authority yourself. But before I do, I have two quick announcements to make. If you like these videos, please give them a thumb up and subscribe and click on the notification bell. They take a long time to make, so if you want more, just make me believe I'll be the PewDiePie of SEO someday. Second, Authority Hacker Pro, our most advanced elite training, is coming back on Sunday, October the 18th, 2020. It's going to be a big eventful launch and we're going to be announcing several things, so make sure that you are subscribed to this channel for notifications and that you are on our email list. You can go on authorityhacker.com/pro for more information about Authority Hacker Pro when it's available. But for now, let's get started with the video. Before I actually show you the method in the field, I want to explain to you how it works and why it works. You see, when you're an affiliate and you are promoting an affiliate offer, you are often linking to a tracking domain that's set up either by the affiliate network or the company that owns the affiliate program. This tracking domain is usually a separate website, a separate domain that is only used for the purpose of tracking affiliate traffic and attributing to the affiliate, and then redirects to the right store or product page so that people can actually buy the product. So for example, when you are using the Amazon's Associates program, when you are getting a short link from the Associates toolbar on top when you're logged in, you get a link to amzn.to. When someone clicks on that link, they eventually get redirected to amazon.com, but you are linking to that different tracking domain. Now that we understand that part of the equation, let's look at the other side, which is going to be the SEO tracking tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, Majestic, etc. These tools basically crawl the web and resell their information to SEOs, keyword information and link information usually. And in order to build their index, they crawl the links that they find on random web pages and just keep following the links on the next page they find, and again and again and again until they've crawled the entire discoverable internet. And when they crawl the internet, they often bump into these affiliate links / tracking domain links, and they treat these domains exactly the same as every other domain in their database, which means that all the links to these domains are part of the link data that these tools make available to their customers. Why does that matter, you're going to tell me? Well, you remember how I told you that Amazon uses amzn.to as a tracking domain? If you put that domain in Ahrefs, you will find that this is a DR94 domain with 425 million links from 694,000 domains. And all of these linking domains are more or less successful Amazon's Associates websites. Most importantly, if you use the Ahrefs backlink report, you will be able to filter the domains by authority, search traffic level, content type, language, etc. And this allows you to dig very useful information out of these.
Hey guys, I want to stop this here right now because I don't want to get into the technical aspect of this because there's a lot to do. You can dig real deep and you can go for hours and hours trying to explain how the SEO process works and keyword research and backlinks and so on and so forth. I don't want this video to be about that. I want this video to be about, let me...
is C of affiliate sites. For example, you can find low authority.
I want this video to be about a business opportunity that you guys should know that it's available online. And like Gail said a couple minutes ago, the industry is not saturated. There's a lot of room out there. If you have good product and you know how to set up a nice website, you can make a lot of money from it. That's all I have to say today. The link's going to be in the description if you guys are interested. Let me open up the back office of Authority Hacker, and I want you guys to kind of take a peek on what it looks like. It's these guys set up an incredible training, incredible course. Let me make my photo a little bigger. I don't know if it's matter or not, but here we go. That's a little better. What these guys have set up is an incredible training. They answer every question. They have a Facebook group. There's a lot of interaction. Your answers will definitely be, your questions will definitely be answered with these guys. They put a lot of energy and a lot of effort into setting up this training, and it's I don't know what happened to my thing here. I apologize. Hold on, guys. Hold on 1 second here. There you go. I brought it back up. But what these guys set up here, the Authority Hacker, this is it's up-to-date training. This is 2021, and anytime new updates come up, they always add it over here in the update log. This is the team over here. This is Gael, the gentleman that's speaking. He's from France. Very, very knowledgeable, very intelligent. He knows a lot about the field. He's been doing it for a long time. And this is also Mark. He knows a lot about the industry too. Between the two of them, there's years and years, over 2 decades of expertise combined, and they put this course together for people that are looking to start an online business and give up the 9 to 5. So basically that's what it looks like, the back office. All you got to do, you just come in here and there's different modules, and each module breaks down. There's training videos. You can rewind, fast forward as needed. They provide a lot of templates over here. You can just download the templates and start using them right away and just plug in, follow along with the training. Update log, toolbox, they give you tools. You join the Facebook group over here. To do system, I forgot what this one's for. Case study, oh yeah, the case study we need to talk about real quick. What they do during the training, they create this dog niche website, and they show you how they actually rank it and eventually sell it, and basically they do the whole thing in front of you just to show you how, to prove to you that this process does work. So basically the training, let me get my glasses on here so I can see, okay. The training has 15 modules, and each module has several lessons. This one has 14, this one has 9, this one has 23. But they discuss everything you need to know as far as ranking a website, building a website, backlinks, SEO, you name it. Writing content, updating and optimizing content, initial building, affiliate monetization setup. That's basically the objective of the whole training, is to build a website, and you would have affiliate links in there, but you would do it in a way where it's not very intrusive. I don't know if that's the right word. Very salesy, so to speak. Basically, it's streamlined. It's just smoothly written, and everything's done in a way where it's educating the people that visit your website, and in return it would generate a lot of revenue, and it would help the client answer that question, whatever their niche is, whether it's dogs or health, wealth, relationship, whatever it could be. So I'm not going to throw in place. I need to look over here. I hope you guys are having a good day, whatever you are. We're in Ohio, and the weather's starting to get really, really nice over here. I think spring is coming soon. Anyway, guys, it's just a quick video here. I just wanted to show you this business opportunity. If you are looking to start making money online, this is a great opportunity, and return on the investment is going to be 40 to 50x, maybe 100x. So if you're looking for something solid and reputable and honest, this is a great place to start. All you have to do is just click the link in the description and get started today. Again, my name is Ali, and if you are part of my channel, I want to thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Tick that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a video. I'm constantly publishing make money online opportunities, so if this is something you're interested in, don't forget to tick the bell icon. And last but not least, click the link in the description and check out these guys, because they are absolutely superheroes at what they do. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.